Welcome to Sarajevo City Center, SCC, in Bosnia and Herzegovina. SCC is one of the biggest and most modern shopping centers in Sarajevo, located in the heart of the city in the Marijin Dvor area. It's a great place for shopping, eating, and having fun, all in one spot, easy to reach. It's easy to get to SCC by tram, bus, or even walking from nearby areas. There's also a big underground parking garage. SCC is not just a mall. It's a place to enjoy the modern side of Sarajevo while staying close to its rich history and culture. Office Building Sarajevo City Center, SCC, a shopper's paradise in Sarajevo. SCC is one of the largest and most modern shopping malls in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Located in the heart of Sarajevo, it offers a world-class shopping experience with over 180 stores spread across multiple floors. You'll find top brands from the US, UK, and Europe, including fashion, jewelry, watches, sportswear, and more. Let's explore it floor by floor. Shopping bags, ground floor, first floor, luxury and style. This floor is all about luxury and elegance that you'll find high-end watches, fine jewelry, and Swiss-made items. Popular brands include Swatch, Tissot, Swarovski, and StarTime, but it's perfect for those looking for premium gifts or personal luxury items. Dress second floor, fashion and accessories. This floor is packed with clothing stores for men, women, and kids that you'll also find jewelry, sunglasses, and fashion accessories. Big international names like Zara, H&M, Massimo Dutti, Levi's, LC Waikiki, Pull & Bear, Stradivarius, and Nike are here. Whether you're shopping for casual wear, sportswear, or stylish outfits, this floor has it all. Video game third and fourth floors. Fun and entertainment. These floors are designed for family fun and relaxation. There's a cinema, bowling alley, laser tag, bumper cars, and kids' play areas. Great for spending time after shopping or enjoying a weekend outing. Fork and knife with plate. Dining area. SCC has over 15 restaurants and cafés offering a mix of local, Bosnian food and international fast food. Whether you want a quick snack or a full meal, there's something for every taste. P-Button Parking and Access. SCC has a large underground parking garage with over 1,100 spaces that's easy to reach by tram, bus, or car, and it's close to many city landmarks.